Hi, second graders. Today you're going to take a spelling test. I'm going to say each word. If you need a word repeated, go back and hit play on the video again, and then you'll be able to write it the best that you can. When you're all finished, please put it in the all done basket. Your first word is chug. Chug. Be careful not to chug your water too fast. Chug. Your next word is chat. Chat. I like to have a chat with you when I see you in the morning. Your next word is punch. Punch. It's not safe to punch someone. Your next word is inch. Inch. In the classroom, we use a 1-inch voice. Your last word is chop. Chop. When we go bananas, we chop the banana up. When you're all finished, please put it in the all done basket. Thanks.